Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the playback speed of a video on TikTok. So you're just going to select the video for a few seconds, just like pressing it. And as you can see, there's these playback speeds. There's the 0.5x speed, 1x speed, 1.5x speed, and 2x speed. So the normal one is the 1x speed. If you want the video to play faster, you're just going to move it to the right. And as you can see, the video is faster, but if you want it to be slower, select it again. So like press it and select the 0.5x speed and just wait. And as you can see, the video is now in the 0.5x speed. And that is basically it. It is a new feature, so make sure you update your app first. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!